Welcome to AMR CCTV Maintenance demo. First thing we do, we log into the system and we see the dashboard. The first row we see is the open tickets, filtered by kind of tickets that we have. And the second one is the devices, also with online, offline filter here. If we jump into the devices list, we'll see the list of devices here, and we also see the online or offline status. We can also filter them and see only the ones that are offline, for example. Once we have this, we have access to the datasheet here, some information about the client that it's very helpful when we receive a ticket because we know exactly what to do and who to call in case of fixing this issue. We have the connectivity data here, also the ports. This is for your just as a comment, and some notes on top of that. Another thing which is very helpful is the connectivity check, so that you can check with the with the configuration that you have already in the system if this device is online or is offline. Okay, in this case, you can confirm that this device is online and offline. And in case you have credentials, you may have information of the device at this very moment. The second thing here, if we go into the tickets offline, okay, we see in this case, very interesting that we can edit. We go into edit button here. You can add some comments, like comments into the ticket. You can add a track number. You can assign this ticket to a technician, and if you assign them and set the status as in process or as done, it will be notified to the to the technician. Okay, when you do this, you will notify to the technician. And when this is done, the technician can access with their cell phone to the system and check the event as done, and it automatically disappears from the list. So you by default you only see the pending events. You can see them all because they are still in the list, but you only see the pending events. Okay. You can also see this is what you would receive by email. So this is the information that it's available on this event. You can access the data of the device itself if you want to add some comments or change some information there. And you can also see the connectivity check here for more information at this moment. We also have this error list, which is normally hard drive and out of time messages here. And the third one is video loss, which is normally not that important in this maintenance system, but it's also available. You also have reports here to see all events, all devices, a system log. So this is something you can download and check as a report. You can also set users here, check the log, and access setup, which is something we do in another video. Thanks for listening and keep in touch.